Well, I'm starting to get a bit more into boats. Bit of a navy theme going on. Kid's toy boat that I ended up putting in a jet propulsion sort of unit. Hamilton Jet. Sucks the water up, spits it out the back. You want to see how it goes? Here we go. It's not the fastest, but it goes. I have a helicopter gyro speed controller receiver, 2.4 gigahertz in there, and just a 380 motor. I want to make it faster. I want to make it like Medic's jet boat on RC Sparks. Man, that thing goes so well. And I think I sucked something up into the prop. There's no guard on it, so... Oh, look at that. Give it a bit of oomph and she's off. I know my camera quality isn't the best, but hey. And there you have it. That's going to be the rescue boat. So how's that? Not a bad looking boat. Wish it was faster.